Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Video 3. I'm sure you have the understanding of the heavy letters and the light letter with an a on top, not all, a, all. You see, my mouth doesn't move. I want you to keep that in mind. But today, we're going to be discussing those big squiggly lines. We said the north to south, the top to bottom, stretched a sound for 2 haraka, or 2 counts. If you will, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 1 second, 2 second. Now the north to south equal 2. The east to west, the big squiggly line on its own, the minimum stretch was going to be 3. Now the big squiggly line followed by the letter Hamza, just that little Hamza, the big squiggly line. How about Ma sha'a? So the big squiggly line followed by that little Hamza was 4. And now we can start talking about further, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. Let me give you an example. Maybe you didn't tackle in the class as well. Big squiggly line. Ja, minimum 3, right? What if the next letter has a W on top of it? What about غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. So here's another scenario. We didn't talk about this in class. Big squiggly line followed by a W, the shadda. Minimum stretch here is going to be 6. Now, the 6, these are going to count on how fast you're reading. If you're reading غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. Now let's do another one. East to west on a miracle letter. What about those alif, lam, mim? What about those? Minimum stretch here is going to be 6. So we know east to west by itself, 3. East to west followed by Hamza, 4. East to west followed by a W. This happens about 6 words in the Quran, 6 scenarios. So I want you to make sure if you see a big squiggly line and the next letter has a W, stretch the sound and hold it because of the W. If you have any questions, just rewind it. I'll give you an example. وَخَلَقَ الْجَانَّ. That was just like غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. Your homework for video number 3 is verse number, and I believe it's 80, Surah A'raf. So Surah A'raf, verse number 80, and also look at Surah A'raf, Surah An'am, verse number 80. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.